Welcome to Deal. We are very happy to have you on board. We know that you may have many questions as you onboard with us in Colombia, so we'll be going through some country-specific information, such as medical checks, how to request your medical checks, how to get your results and upload them onto the platform, what is the EPS and how to complete your affiliation, what is the pension fund and how to complete your affiliation. In the compliance document section, you will see a medical checks category. This is a mandatory document needed to be completed by law before you start your contract. You will be receiving an email with your medical checks information. This email will contain date, time, and place where you can go to complete this exam. Our medical checks partner, OmniSalud, will reach out to you a few days before your start date to give you all the information needed to proceed. Once you have taken your exams, you will be able to download the document directly from the vendor's page, or you can write back to the email address that sent you the medical appointment to request your results. Afterwards, upload the certificate in the compliance document section of the platform. Another compliance document that you will need to provide is the EPS certificate. The certificate is the one that allows our payroll team to verify and generate payment to the health and social security system that guarantees you have access to medication, medical appointments, and medical emergency attention, among others. If you have never been affiliated to an EPS or if you wish for us to complete this affiliation for you, on the EPS certificate space, you will have to upload the affiliation authorization form filled out with your information and the name of the entity you wish to be affiliated to. Without this information, your payroll team will not know which entity you wish to sign up to and will have to reject this document. Similarly to the EPS, we have the pension fund certificate. This is a mandatory compliance document that you will need to provide. The certificate is the one that allows our payroll team to verify and generate payment to the social security system that guarantees you have access to a pension benefit once you have reached your retirement age. If you have never been affiliated to a pension fund, or if you wish for us to complete this affiliation for you in the pension fund certificate space, you will need to upload the affiliation authorization form filled out with your information and the name of the entity you wish for us to affiliate you to. Without this information, our payroll team will not know which entity you wish to be signed up to, and we will have to reject this document. We thank you for taking the time to learn more about Deal, and we hope this information was very helpful for you and your journey onboarding with us.